Hello guys, welcome to Press Journey Access channel. Okay, so today I have to share to you about Massimo in 365 days. So who is Massimo actually? Do you have any idea? Of course. So by the way, Massimo, what I have known in my resource, his full real name is Michele Morrone, and his profession is an actor, a singer, and also a guitarist. He also known for the movie, of course, 365 Days movie, and his date of birth is October 3, 1990. Age 29 years old. Zodiac sign Libra. Place of birth, Apulia, Italy. Nationality, Italian, of course. Ethnicity, white. Religion, Christian. Gender, male. Of course, he's not a she-male. Okay, parents, father, not known. Siblings, not applicable also. So, physical status, let's go for here. Height, feet, and inches, 6'2". Centimeters 187, meters 187, weight kilograms 80 kilograms. Hair color black, eye color brown. Tattoo, yes of course, on both hands and chest. Body measurements, so let's go for here. 39, 32, 17. Wow, sounds interesting. Shoe size, UK size 10. OMG. So, let's go on his personal life a little bit. So, in his personal life, actually, I found out that he is divorced. So, his ex-wife name was wife Roba Sade. That was before 2014 and 2018. And he has two sons. That two sons named Marcudo Morrone and Brado Morrone. Maybe this son was also handsome like him. I don't know. So his educational background, high school qualification, graduation, school local high school, alma mater Teatro Francine di Favia. So about his wealth, it was net worth approximately $1 million as of 2020. So let's go. Facts about him. He played the character of the Massimo in his film 365 Days. He also appeared in many movies. He also a good guitarist. He is interested in acting from childhood. Ever since, okay. He always loves to wear earrings. He has a great belief in mermaids. Michele is smoke addicted. He likes to do swimming in his spare time. Michele is also a good writer and wrote many personal motivating quotes. He has also appeared in a TV show with a famous television host named Millie Carlucci. Michele Morrone is managed by Takeoff Artist Management. He is fond of expensive watches and has a collection. Morrone is an animal lover and loves to do horse riding. So, you wanna know his secret? Are you lost, baby?